Ready to unlock your podcast's earning potential? Let's dive into connecting your PayPal account to Buzzsprout to start accepting payments. First, log into your Buzzsprout account. You will see the homepage. Once you're in, look for the Settings or Podcast Settings option, usually located at the top or within the navigation panel. Click on that. Now, in the Settings, find and select the Payments tab. This is where all the money magic happens. Within the Payments section, you'll see options to integrate different payment platforms. Look for the PayPal option and click on it. There should be a PayPal email address field. Next, enter the email address associated with your PayPal account into the designated field. This is crucial. The only thing left is to put your email address. Don't forget to save your changes. Locate the Save Settings button. It's often at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your connection. And there you have it. Your PayPal account is now linked to your Buzzsprout podcast. This is the final output. Now you can start integrating your PayPal account with your content.